What's up? Welcome to Anandri. In today's we're gonna build a track. So simple, everyone can make this. Okay, these are the pieces. Okay, first you need these plates. Okay, now you need 6 tires of these baby dolls. We use this tire on this board. Look at the back. Remember? We built in the last video. But we are now gonna build a track. That's already. But now we have the same wheel at the back, and we're gonna use just 6 of these. We're gonna go right out a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. Then we have the wait backwards. Whee! Now we're gonna need this transparent. You cannot see it here. Look at the transparent. It's a transparent one. Very. I'll just get this from 1 or 2 Lego sets. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know that. Now we're gonna put right over here. We're gonna do one back. Look at one. We're gonna put this piece in here. Look at it. And we have this, another this, but then we're gonna cover this. Look at it. On this one here. Now we take one of these blue one. On this, you're gonna put right over here. And then back, we're gonna do this bad boy. Now we're gonna just do over like this. And to cover that, we need these pieces. It's like this and right over this. And there you have it. A nice looking crack. See you on the next video, guys.